4th of July is just around the corner, and I had this wonderful idea. I'm going to be driving this tractor in a parade, so I am going to build, I just picked up this flag with a flagpole. I'm going to build a receiver hitch mounted flagpole holder. So I have some random stock just laying around. I'm going to see what I can put together to make this mount. It's going to mount into the receiver hitch. There'll be a bar with a piece of pipe that this slides into, and I'm thinking I'll keep it at a slight angle because I kind of like the look of it angled rather than straight vertical. So maybe just a little bit tilted back, this way the flag kind of hangs a little bit. I'm gonna get out some tools and see what I can put together. Okay, I've rounded up all the pieces I need. Got my saw, some clamps, tape measure. This is 1-inch pipe that the flag fits in. This is 1 by 2. I'm hoping that if I take 2 pieces of this and clamp it together, it'll fit in the tractor receiver. We're gonna see what happens with that. I like this amount of angle. I'm going to plate this with a piece of plate, come up a little bit to give it a little extra support, and I may add a diagonal. I don't think I'm going to need it though. I'm going to see what I have for plate, and then I'll put it all together, see what it looks like. All right, I have all my components prepped. So I'm going to weld this plate onto here, weld these 2 tubes together, and then weld this piece of pipe onto the plate. Here's what I have. I've welded this nicely all the way around. I stitch welded a couple welds here and then ground them down flat so that the receiver slides back in. I have a little bit of angle outward to hold the flag out, and this pipe is welded very nicely to this plate. Only thing left to do is slide it into the receiver, and then I'll mark where I need to drill the holes through for my hitch pin. I like how that's sitting right there. That's with the hitch all the way in the bottom position. If you notice, the flag is not touching the ground, and there's a decent amount of clearance for the flag. You know, as it's blowing, I wanted to make sure that it can't really come around too easily and get into the tires as I'm driving. So this will look pretty cool, blowing in the breeze behind me.